Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and to answer the question, are you talking to me? Yes, I am talking to you about this awesome hybrid, the Kia Niro. Of course that is a De Niro impression, but what makes a better impression is all the features and the spec on this. You haven't got to be a good fella to buy this, you haven't even got to have any heat. This is an awesome car designed for low emissions, great styling and practical driving. So let's take a look at why you should consider this. So you've got your headlights down here, got your front venting which gives it a nice sports flair, front parking sensors, front fog light. See, you've got the gloss black styling on there as well, and you've got the awesome futuristic almost concept type grille. Moving around, you can see here headlights again for the dark times on your midnight run would be absolutely superb. You can also see it moving all the way around. You've got your black styling all the way across on the arches, and you can see your crash bar just on there. And then you come down and you've got your 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels finished in ferret grey and silver as well. And moving up from that, you've got your electric folding mirrors finished with gloss black and white, chrome window surround, aluminium bars at the top, tinted privacy glass, and of course you can see you've got your black B pillars as well. It's a real good looking car. This gives it a real nice flair and edge, makes it look aggressive, almost like a raging bull. You can also see here you've got your gloss black lip spoiler, partial LED lights. Now we move down and you've got your reverse sensors just here and diffuser just underneath. Now in terms of boot room, the Kia would be great if I'd opened it up. See, we'll open the boot now. You lift up the hatch and you're greeted by quite a good space just here. Really spacious in terms of what you'd want. You can see you can analyse it this way or you can analyse it that way. Really impressive, of which you can get through anything in there you need. Storage in terms of pushchairs, buggies, shotguns, knives, you know, Russian gangsters, anything like that, anything off the Goodfellas film, shovels. Really impressive. You've also up here got your reverse camera, which is great for keeping an eye on those sort of taxi drivers. And you move around and you can see from any different angle the Niro is a fantastic looking car. All jokes and film puns aside, it's one that's got great styling, great efficiency, great build quality, and of course comes with Kia's standard warranty, which is a great option as well, and reassurance in their build quality. But not only that, it looks this good as well on the inside. And inside, the Niro is just as well equipped and pretty looking as it was on the outside. Kia have undergone a huge transformation in recent years to really ensure that the brand remains top of the Korean market, and of course is a competitor directly to the German market. And with heated leather seats like this with a perforated in centre, white stitching, electrically adjustable, Niro matting, aluminium door inlays, JBL sound, piano gloss black, and of course you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, electric windows, auto folding mirrors. It is right up there with some of the best that you've seen. And in the back you've got tri-seating, full Isofix, comfy supportive bolster seating, and you can see plenty of room as well. And when I say it's up there with some of the best you've seen, yes, in terms of budget wise it is right up there, and in terms of efficiency and build quality, now the Korean market is making a surge and it's something I'm all for. Down here you can see you've got your lane keep assist, you've got traction control, instrument cluster lighting, headlight range and fuel release. Down here you've got your OBD and your remote boot release just down there. What you can see to start the vehicle on here, you've got your ignition barrel just here, foot on the brake, key in, turn it halfway, let it load up, turn the music off and then turn it all the way on. You You can see that now is started, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, that is on. You can hear the nice welcoming tone, and as it's a petrol hybrid, it's extremely quiet. Now on there you can see you've got your range of charge left. You've also got your charge indicator, EV mode, and you've got your digital information display along with your other analog clock. Really nicely illuminated. You've got the digital background, but of course it's an analog clock and it's a white and black contrast. Now on there, what you can do using the right hand button, you can change the different options on here. So you can see you've got your average speed, you've also got your trip computers, you've got digital speedo, driving style, and of course your energy flow, which if you're really into how cars work and operate, this can be quite interesting. You've also on here got your navigation, so it gives you any directions if you've got your nav on or you're looking to do any different driving. Of course, when you've got your SD card, you will need one, as you can see just here. Navigation, you'll need it, but that will give you all the options and all the instructions. You have, of course, as well got your lane keep assist just on there. You've got DAB radio, and of course you've got your settings here: engine temp, tyre pressure. You've got your service, which of course isn't due for 357 days. Then you go across, you've got your driver assist. If you click on there, you can see you've got lane keep assist. You've got your door lock, automatic locking and unlocking. You've got your lights. Got your different sound for your park assist system. Convenience features, wireless charging, wipers as well. You've also got other features: fuel economy, tyre pressure unit, and plenty of other options to keep you very busy. And for us, digital speedo. Then you move from there, you can see you've got your auto headlights. On this one you've got your auto wipers, and on here you've got voice control. You've of course got your different media sources, volume control, and Bluetooth telephone, cruise control, speed limiter, and of course your menu buttons as well. You've got a real nice steering wheel actually. It's Napa leather, it's got the white and grey contrast stitching, concave finish at the bottom with a piano gloss black, and the Kia logo big, bold, and in centre of the wheel. You've also here got your manual adjustment for the steering wheel, and in the centre console you can see surrounding there you've got that gorgeous ferric titanium grey satin against the black pearl chrome. Excuse me. You've got your eco hybrid just here, and of course you've got your media system just here. Now if you click on all menus, you can see you can bring up the hybrid, so it's your eco score, your energy flow, you can get it all up on there. You can click on radio, and you've got DAB, FM and AM. Of course you're only ever going to want DAB. Media, if you click on media, you're able to do all the different sources of what you'd have: auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth as well. You can click on the map if you had the valid SD card, which we don't have here. You would need to get that sorted. And you can click on the settings, navigation, display, sound, time, date, Wi-Fi, language, phone projection, and plenty of other options. Moving down, the JBL audio gives it that real, shame it's a terrible song, but you get the idea. It's real crisp clarity of sound. And of course down here you've got your clean air, and of course you've got your aircon. So click that on, your aircon's on. You don't have to sync the temperature, so you can see at the top you've got a higher temperature for the passenger, lower for the driver, so it's dual zone. To sync it, click that button and it'll sync to the drivers. You've got your front screen, your rear screen demist, your air distribution just here, recirculation, climate control as well. If you click on there you can have it all up on the dash. And here you've got the auto aircon, or you can turn it on for just the driver only. Really impressive. Under there, 12 volt charger, auxiliary, wireless charging, USB, and another 12 volt charger. And then we come down to the gearbox. Really simple to use, very similar to the Kia Stinger we reviewed not long ago. Press that in, push it down, you can see you're in R. You can see you're in R here. You have your parking sensors come on, and of course your big camera as well. Press it down again, you can see you're in drive, which is D, and on there you've got D and Eco. And if you press that down again, you can see you've got the awesome sports box. Now what that does, it doesn't break it, don't worry. If you press it across, you can see you're in sport now, and that means you'll get an automatic sports box giving you higher throttle response and higher rev ratio. You can also, you don't have paddle shift, but you can use this as a shifter as well if you wanted to when you're driving. So you imagine you're making sufficient progress, you can change up, or down, 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 whichever you really wish. But for us, we're going to put it back in park because it's really, really simple. And on here, you have, of course, got your park just here, your audible parking sensors on there. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, of course, and here you've got a dual cup holder, a key holder, and a fold-up armrest with another charger in there as well. I mean, in terms of a great value car, a great value small SUV, this, hey, forget about it. This is the one you want. Whether you're looking to run New York or whether you're just looking to run to the shops every other day and have consummate ease and low running costs, this, hey, this is the car for you. You know what I mean? This is just a great option and great value for money. Now, what else is great is, of course, that we have carried out a thorough and meticulous on-site preparation of this car, cosmetically and mechanically, and that is at our on-site RAC approved facility. So you can tell all the good fellas in there and all the Emerald mob have really looked after it. All the answers to the questions we asked of the Niro, of course, are on the vehicle website under vehicle advert. Now, if you're looking at financing or part exchange, we've got a friend of a friend who's a friend, you know, one of the friends of ours, and one of the Emerald family, many finance lenders that can offer you an APR rate as little as 7.9%. Absolutely fantastic. So do, of course, get in touch with us, Emerald House of Cars, the used car retailer of the year for 2021, and see how your buying journey can start and finish with us. We'd love to welcome you here, or even have this delivered to you if you're buying online. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you've been entertained. Hope you've enjoyed the very bad New York accent. Forget about it. And more importantly, I hope you believe this Kia Niro is just as good as the man himself, Sir Robert De Niro. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered with a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the UK.
11.
But it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.